So we are asked to find the derivative of this function. So we can see that we have cubic function multiplying logarithm function, then multiplying trigonometric function, that we now have linear function inside. So what we are just going to use is product rule. So we now say let u be s cubed. Okay, so we can now say the derivative of u prime is going to give you 3x squared. 3x squared. So let's talk about that v equals ln x. So v prime is going to give us 1 over x. That is the derivative of ln x or ln x. So, but for cos, we can say w equals cos 3x. Okay. So if you want to find the prime, remember this is composite function. So we have another function inside trigonometric function. So here we use chain rule. So what you just have to do here is negative 3 multiplied by sine 3x. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, go and watch my video. You see where I explain this. Okay, so what we have to do now is to apply the product rule. They say y, let's say u v w equals u prime multiplied by v multiplied by w plus u multiplied by v prime multiplied by w plus u multiplied by v multiplied by w prime. So, and this is going to give rise to, what is v prime? What is u prime rather? We have 3x squared. Then what is v? V is ln x. What is w? W is cos 3x. Then plus, we have u. U is s cubed. We have v prime to be 1 over x. I will have w to be what? Cos 3x. So let's talk about the let's talk about the third term. So we now say plus u is s cubed, v is ln x, then w prime is negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, so we can now simplify this. Y prime will now be equals to, we have ln here and ln here, so we can bring this together. I will have s cubed and x squared here. So this is going to be 3x squared ln x cos 3x minus s cubed ln x multiplied by 3 sine 3x. Okay, then plus s cubed cos 3x over x. All right, so we can collect like terms. So we have ln x here, we have ln x here, we have x squared here, we have s cubed here. So this is going to be y prime will now be equals to x squared ln x. So multiply by 3 cos 3x minus 3x sine 3x. Okay, then plus, of course, this, which is s cubed cos 3x over x. Okay, I hope you can see it. And that is the derivative of this function.